Restaurant-style simple chicken and rice. Can something this simple really taste this good? Ingredients: chicken breast or thigh per person, 1 whole thigh or 1 whole breast, a few cloves of garlic, 1 onion, salt, black pepper, and turmeric to taste. First, slice the onions into thin strips. Chop a few cloves of garlic and mix them with the oil and turmeric, then keep the mixture in a container. First, place part of the onions at the bottom of the pan and arrange the chicken on top. Then add the remaining onions over the chicken, and finally, add the bay leaves. Add the garlic, turmeric, and oil mixture, then add the bay leaves and the remaining oil as well.
Add 3 cups of water. Mix salt into the first cup and add it to the pot, but the other 2 cups do not need salt. Add water until the chicken is fully covered. Increase the heat until the water and oil come to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat. It's best to leave the pan lid slightly open so the water can evaporate, allowing the chicken to fry in the remaining oil. Water until the chicken is fully covered. Also, prepare the rice in a separate pot. After 45 minutes, both the chicken and rice will be ready. Congratulations! Your delicious chicken and rice is ready.